Hello, I'm Janelle and I share our travel experiences. In this video, I'll give you a room tour of our serviced apartment in Osaka, Japan, FDS and Osaka. This part is the Genkan. It's usually where you leave your outdoor shoes. In Japan or in Asia generally, it's a custom to not wear outdoor shoes when indoors. It's a good way to keep a house clean. Wi-Fi is available for every unit. Each unit has its own Wi-Fi for privacy. Then to the right is the toilet. It's separate from the bathroom and the main sink, but there's a sink above the toilet. After washing your hands, the dirty water will just go to the water tank, which is just genius. Also, the toilet is equipped with Japanese bidet. Just tap the remote while you're sitting to release the water. It's very clean and practical to use. The seat can be heated, so it's perfect when you're feeling cold. The kitchen is absolutely great. It's complete with what we need like plates, utensils, knives and pots. We use it often and cook our own food as we were on a diet at the time. FDS and Osaka costs around $60 to $70 per night in Agoda at the time we booked it. But I can't find this hotel online anymore. I'll put it in the description when I find it. It's close to the train station. There are also many groceries, convenience stores, and restaurants around the area. The location overall is just convenient. There's no elevator, so you have to carry your luggage up the stairs. But that's fine because you don't always have to do it, especially if you're staying for a long time. The building is only 3 floors, so it's good. This whole place is actually a serviced apartment. Somebody will come daily to clean the unit when you are away. I've met the cleaning lady actually. She's from the Philippines. When we met her, she was with her Japanese husband to pick her up. Another time, her cute little 5-year-old granddaughter was helping her with tasks. She definitely didn't look that old to have a granddaughter. She explained that the little girl just likes helping her and that was adorable. This is the living room. There's a couch that's convertible to a bed. There's a TV and a coffee table. There's no dining table in this place, so we use the coffee table when we eat meals. There's also a divider that separates the bedroom from the living room for a little privacy. Going to the bedroom, there's this big cabinet with bifold doors. It's definitely plenty of space for your stuff. And this is the bed and it's very comfortable. You can request to the cleaning lady if you want to change your bed sheets. There's also a balcony, I just forgot to film it. And this is the view of the living room from the bedroom. Finally, let's go to the sink and the bathroom. This is subdivided into 2 areas. The first one is for the sink and washing machine. The second one is for shower, bathtub, and clothes dryer. Yes, clothes dryer. I'll show you later. Or you can skip to that part, just refer to the timeline in the description. There are instructions for every control like the washing machine, dryer in the shower, induction cooktop, microwave, and the TV and aircon remote. They are posted right where the machines are. A bunch of fresh towels are available. I I totally love bathtubs. Did you know that Japanese take a bath every night? It's their way to decompress after a full day of activities. That's why it's common to see a bathtub in all houses in Japan. Because we're in Japan for 30 days, we have to do the laundry. Let me show you how we do it. Obviously, we use the washing machine. I have my own foldable hangers, but this place has a lot in the cabinet, so that's what I used for the t-shirts. For the small stuff like socks and handkerchiefs, I have S-hooks, laundry line, and clips, all of which I bring when we travel. So after washing, I put the wet laundry inside the shower room like so. And then here outside, there's a control to dry your clothes. Just close that door and leave it for 2 to 4 hours. Any moisture will be exhausted from the bathroom. Isn't that freaking genius? This should be everywhere all over the world. So that's it for this video. In the next video, we went to Dotonbori at night. If you guys enjoyed this, like and subscribe now. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.